Hi, today on Enso Homestead, we're building a pergola and a patio table.
Giant hail at the end of April.
But now I'm on my way back home. I hear the west winds calling out my name. They telling me to head your way, down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to belong when I'd already found my home. Won't be long, I'm there before the setting sun, for you to fall into my arms, the place I call my home. I was looking to belong when I already found my home. To belong when I'd already know that you would be there.
So we 3D printed these plastic sleeves, so we just slide them up and they hide the wheels. Put the whole tables on wheels. Our project wouldn't be complete without a flyover from the Shingle.